Hi! Today we're going to go through with you the top 4 reasons to go vegan.
So the top 4 reasons people go vegan are for the people, the planet, the animals, and health. So we're going to talk about each one and break them down. First of all, don't just eat less meat, but you can eat less animals. Most eat 37 land animals per year. 35 are factory farmed.
Birds.
Now, for the environment, people do it they do it to save water, deforestation. Other people do it for world hunger or food waste. Many do it for animal cruelty. Look up sick factory farm videos. And many people also do it for health. So number 1, to end world hunger. The reason I'm starting with this is because many people don't know how meat contributes to food waste, one of the leading causes of food waste. As you can read here, most of our crops are fed to force-bred animals. And it takes about 16 pounds of our crops fed to a force-bred animal for just 1 pound of meat in return. 16 pounds for 1 pound fed to an animal. Meanwhile, people, even in America, go hungry. So you're basically eating people's food by feeding it to an animal. You won't see animals go hungry because they're sold by the pound. And here's some of the conversion rates and land use. Next, health. Number 2. Many pro athletes are vegan from every sport: NFL, UFC fighters, NBA stars, and much more. Veganbodybuilding.com, Tori Washington, lifelong vegetarian, vegan since 1998. All natural bodybuilder. Here's the NBA MVP, Kyrie Irving.
He's an outspoken vegan too.
He was on the cover of this video game, so obviously he's a great player. Here's him at the All-Star game. Here's a former NFL player, David Carter, the 300-pound vegan. Here's a 70-year-old all-natural bodybuilder, Jim Morris, Mr. America, 70 years old. Here's a soccer star. Tony Gonzalez, one of the greatest NFL players at tight end ever. He did a PETA video with his wife about factory farms and fur, and even wrote a book about promoting his vegan lifestyle. A big dude too, one of the best players in NFL history. Second in receptions only to Jerry Rice. Here's his career statistics. And you have other players like Ricky Williams, Arian Foster, many other great players. Doctors and dietitians, veganhealth.org for registered dietitians, and PCRM.org, Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. Prevention over pills. Forks Over Knives is a great film. Heart disease is a leading killer in America, and most of it's from cholesterol-clogged arteries. You can be thin and fit like my father. At age 42, had triple bypass surgery because he clogged his arteries with cholesterol only found in animal products. Cholesterol, anything that result in bypass surgery or stents or blockage of an artery, it's for them not having a heart and eating animals. Karma. Number 2 is for the environment. You can't be a meat-eating environmentalist. Lisa Simpson was vegetarian. Here's some facts. the human overpopulation crisis, endangered species, landfills, deforestation, fish farms like sick factory farms, super trawler nets that rape oceans the size of a football field net that indiscriminately pulls everything up. You can pause this to read it.
Aww.
So I want to show you, I'll show you a little clip about it, but you can look up factory farm videos online. So again, in recap, people do it to prevent world hunger, animal cruelty, the environment, and health. Those are the 4 main reasons, as well as several others, but those are the 4 main reasons. Live longer, extend your good years. Here's a joke. And the environment. Again, this is the recap. Human overpopulation crisis as well. Pause it to read it. And world hunger, food waste. Thanks for caring.